I'm going to go through with you what you should do if your video is not working and you're using a Windows computer. So the first thing you should always do is make sure that you're using the Google Chrome browser. If you don't have it, then download it and install it. And once you're using Google Chrome, go up here into the lock sign next to where you key in the address. If you click on that, it'll open up this menu. And you want to make sure that your camera is set to allow, just there. And once you've done that, it'll ask you to reload the page. And there it will reload. Now, as you can see, the video is still not working. So if the video is still not working after you selected this and reloaded the page, go down here to the bottom left to the three dots, click on that and click on Settings. And that'll open up the camera and microphone settings for you. And what you want to do is make sure that you selected the correct camera. So if I switch here to the front, that's me just there. Now, if you've selected the correct camera and it's still not working, you have to go into your system preferences and make sure that everything is okay there. So you just press the start button there and the settings, the cog. And that'll open up the settings window here. And once that's opened up, you want to click on Privacy, and you'll see your camera just to the left there. So you press on Camera. There's two things you want to make sure of here. Firstly, that you're allowing apps to access your camera, and that you're allowing the device to access the camera. So you can see here the camera access for my device is on, and if it's not, then you can toggle that here. You also want to scroll down and make sure that your desktop apps are allowed to access your camera. So all of these things should be set to on, and make sure that Google Chrome can use it. So once you've done that, you want to go back into Chrome and do a hard refresh. And that is done by pressing Control and F5 together. And that'll give you a hard refresh of the browser and clear your cache and cookies. The next thing you want to check if your video is still not working is whether you have an up-to-date Chrome browser. So if you go up into the top right and press the three dots there, and then you press Settings just there, and then down here to the left you press About Chrome, and that'll check for updates for you, and you want it to say that it's up to date. If it isn't, it will give you a button to press to update your browser and make sure it's in the correct version. So once you've done that, if none of these things work, then there could be a variety of other issues at play. So it could be to do with the firewall related to your internet. You could have other programs using your camera. There could be some other random issues. In some cases, it's just slow internet connection. But if you're still running into problems after checking these solutions, then go down here into the bottom right and press on the little blue button there, and that'll take you to the support chat, and we are there to help you and find the root of the problem.